Guys, this one is the Kaleidoscope. So let's see how fun can Kaleidoscope in there. हाय गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू ट्रैवलशीश। हम लेकर चलते हैं आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर। आज हम आपको लेकर जा रहे हैं म्यूजियम ऑफ इल्यूजन में, which is a very fun place and interactive museum. It is an award-winning museum. So let's go inside and have some fun of illusion. Let's go. हमारी आज की वीडियो में हम आपको लेकर जा रहे हैं म्यूजियम ऑफ इल्यूजन में, विच इज़ एट गेट मॉल। ये फर्स्ट फ्लोर है गेट मॉल के, तो चलते हैं और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं द म्यूजियम ऑफ इल्यूजन। हाय, हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड, थैंक यू। म्यूजियम ऑफ इल्यूजन इज़ अ फन प्लेस। इसकी जो एंट्रेंस फीस है इट्स 80 रियाल फॉर द अडल्ट एंड 60 रियाल फॉर द किड। यहाँ पे फैमिली टिकट भी है, सो यू कैन विजिट हियर। इट्स अराउंड वन एंड आवर टूर। देयर आर 3 गैलरीज, बट ये कि बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, सो यू कैन एंजॉय हियर। सो लेट्स गो एंड एंजॉय एंड हैव सम फन। Museum of Illusion is in Gate Mall. It's at the first floor and you can come here by metro as well, by your car as well. But ये कि metro से आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा चलना पड़ता है, but you can come in your private car. So Afan, where are we?
We are in the illusion room. Over here there are 6 activities and we are doing the 6.
Okay, let's try out how the illusion works.
Let's go.
We are making some illusions. The eyes are following me. So Afan, what you're doing here?
Over here it looks like it's a hole inside, but actually it's all flat.
All flat? Rotate it, spin it. Whoa! But as you can see, it's all straight. And here you can see a face that's made with illusion.
It's a Einstein.
It looks like an Einstein, yeah.
The base.
Now Afan, move the base and you can move the stick into this.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, how?
Look here.
How?
Try it again. So guys, Museum of Illusion is very nice and interactive thing, and it is the award-winning museum as well, because there are so much over here. There are the holograms, there are so many things. You can talk to yourself, you can see the Kaleidoscope. So it's a very nice place, and I would recommend that you should come here and enjoy some fun. Okay, fun. What you're doing here?
Which one is longer, A or B?
The B.
B?
Oh,
They both are
they
same.
both are same. So it's an illusion, right?
Yep.
Wow, that's nice. Perfect. So fun. Now what's here?
Which one is longer, line A or line B?
I guess line B. Just put there.
This is the size for line A. Same size for line B as well.
Oh, so it's an illusion, right?
Yep, it's an optical illusion.
Nice. Now fun. What you're trying here?
Which one is longer, A or B?
A.
Well, as you can see, this is the size,
Yes.
and over here it's the same size.
Oh wow! These are the same.
Yeah,
So it's also an
it's also an illusion.
nah. So guys, now we are entering into the second room, where we are thinking out of the box. Let's go and see that. So this room is the hologram room. Let's experience some holograms. Wow! The frames are blank and now they are turning into nice.
Look down and look. You will see like it's there.
Nice. So here we are watching a box, and then here that's two. Wow, that's a triangle now. So guys, this one is the tilted room. So let's go inside. Let's tilt a bit.
It's the smallest.
And now Afan is holding me. I'm standing on the hand. Afan, where's your body?
I don't know.
Oh, it's disappeared. We are trying the head on the place, so let's start and have some fun. Your head is drawing. And guys, this one is the Buchier chair. Let's go and see how we can use it. And guys, this one is the Kaleidoscope. So let's see how fun can Kaleidoscope in there. Wow, fun! Your hands are so many.
I'm an alien.
Yes, you look like an alien. Nice. So fun. Now what you're doing? Now you're making a puzzle? Okay, try it out. So fun, what you're doing here?
Over here, I have to make this red part go out from here.
Okay, so you have to slide them off and
Yep.
move it there. Wow, this room is also illusion. We see so many of us, right?
Yeah.
Oh, how many of us? And Afan is entering the vortex channel. Afan? Be careful. Come, go there. So Afan, how's the vortex tunnel experience? Mind blowing? You enjoy it?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Let's go. And Afan is dancing in the color. So Afan, what we'll do here? We'll spin it.
You will spin it. It looks like they both are touching each other.
Right? Spin it. And guys, on my back side, you can see this is the cologne table. So let's go inside and see colognes of ourselves. So Afan, what you gonna do here?
I'm gonna go to the meeting. I'm gonna say everybody, hello.
Go and meet yourself.
Hello, it's myself speaking to myself.
We got so many Afans together.
Whatever I do, they will do as well. They are crazy ones. I'm gonna fall.
Hey, number 4! Good job! So Afan, you can see it's going up like?
Yeah.
Okay, right? Now see what actually it is doing. Oh, it's spinning very fast. So what we are doing here?
what if there is written, for example, there's yellow and blue? You're not supposed to read it down. You're supposed to read in which color they are.
Okay, let's start. But don't make a mistake.
Green, red, blue, yellow, blue, black, red, yellow.
Ah, you missed it. म्यूजियम से बाहर निकलते ही छोटा सा souvenir स्टोर भी है, सो यू कैन टेक योर थिंग्स ओवर देयर. जो भी आप अपने लिए लेना चाहें, यू कैन परचेज इट फ्रॉम हियर.